And Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam often says in many narrations that Jitu ana wa Abu Bakr wa Umar radiyallahu anhuma, dakhaltu ana wa Abu Bakr wa Umar radiyallahu anhuma, kharajtu ana wa Abu Bakr wa Umar radiyallahu anhuma. Allahu Akbar. Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam says, I and Abu Bakr and Umar radiyallahu anhuma came. I and Abu Bakr and Umar radiyallahu anhuma entered. I and Abu Bakr and Umar radiyallahu anhuma went out. This is the love of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. How much he loves these two great personalities. First Abu Bakr Siddiq radiyallahu ta'ala, then Umar bin Khattab radiyallahu ta'ala. So if you are criticizing them, Imam Razi rahmatullahi alayhi says that إذا رأيت الرجل ينتكس أحدا من أصحاب رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم فاعلم أنه زنديق. الله أكبر. That when you see a person, a man criticizing one of the companions of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, then know that he is a zindiq. He is a heretic. He is a munafiq. He is a hypocrite. So we must remember this.